Let me introduce myself. My name is Zidni Class 9 MT is 40 Sarongge. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a Thailand cassava. Keep on watching. The ingredients you must have are 1 kilogram of cassava cut into 1 centimeter thick, a half teaspoon of salt, 250 milliliter thick coconut milk, 250 grams of sugar, 1 liter of water. The tools you needed are pan, knife and cutting boards, small bowl, food washer strainer, big bowl and ladle, spoon. First, cut cassava about 1 centimeter thick. Then, wash the thick cassava and drain it. Next, place the cassava into the pan. Pour the water on it. Boil about 15 minutes. Add salt and sugar while boiling. After 15 minutes, turn off stove. Place the boiled cassava into the big bowl. Serve the cassava in the small bowl. The Thailand cassava is ready to be enjoyed. Thanks for watching.